In life, the more you have, the more you have to lose.
The more you love, the more you worry. The more you own, the less you sleep.
The more people rely on you, the more you have on your mind.
I have peace of mind.
Knowing that whatever I own
And whoever I care about are covered by the very best.
With Sagicor Life and Advantage General, get life, health, and general insurance to help you protect what matters most.
Welcome, welcome, welcome. I'm so happy to be here. It's another Sagicor Insurance series, and today is not anything like you've ever seen before. We're bringing insurance to your fingertips. What do I mean by that? Digital. Sagicor and Advantage General has rolled out some amazing digital platforms that can help you in some amazing ways. And I have some guests who will ensure that you know all about the different platforms. So let me start with a super agent to my immediate left. I know him as Ron, but who are you, sir?
I am only Ron, sir. No, I am Ron Jones, Executive Financial Advisor. I'm from the Montego Bay branch of Sagicor Life, the Mobile Pacers. And really pleasure being here as a part of the insurance series. Happy to be
and there's
part
a
of it.
reason why he dropped the Mobile Pacers, because they are the number one life insurance branch in Jamaica. And of course, Sagicor is the number one insurance company in Jamaica. So, and he's, I don't know if I'm the number one, I'm like number two in the branch, but the money's still well up. You know,
Sir,
well up.
Sir, we're talking about insurance. My insurance is well up.
All right, sir.
Okay.
So we're talking to the right person, and he'll be explaining some of the products and services that we have that are digital when we get back to you. And of course, beside him, we have the lovely Rose amongst the thorns. We have Monique. Monique, who are you? What do you do?
Thank you for that wonderful introduction, Otis. My name is Monique Goburn. I am the Direct Marketing Officer within the Insurance and Pensions Revenue Department.
All right, great. And Sagicor has a platform that you'll be telling us all about.
Correct.
And of course, our brothers and sisters from Advantage General, they decided that, hello, they are the digital bosses of general insurance. But who are you, sir?
That's right. So, and I thank you for that introduction. So my name is Troy Terrell, Product Manager for Advantage General, and I'm responsible for the product development of Advantage General's online services.
Well, let me start with you. Let me not move from there. I have bought general insurance a lot. Yes, I'm pretty old. You see the gray is coming out. But
look fairly
normally,
young.
when I buy general insurance, I go to the office, I sit down in some comfortable chair until them call me number, and then I have to sit down and write a whole heap of papers. Them ask me questions for the whole day. Sometimes I fall asleep in a chair run. Yeah, what you're talking about, digital platform. What is there now that makes it different from my normal park and sleep?
So what we're doing at Advantage General is that we're revolutionizing insurance, right? Or is it that you purchase insurance, or is it that you manage all aspects of your insurance? And so when you look at it, everything that can be done in the branch can be done online. So we're creating greater
I
convenience
like
for our
how people
customers.
talk about everything, you know, because them just throw around the word everything loosely, you know. But what do you mean when you say everything? Tell me some of the things that you can do online.
So AGIC has a lot of products and services available online in terms of digital products, right?
Yeah.
And so currently, customers can renew their policy online, both motor and home insurance policy, and receive their insurance documents in real time.
Hold on.
In
hold that
real
word.
time.
Because when I'm renewing, I have to write up a lot of forms and sign a lot of documents. How can you renew it online?
That we have taken away all of that process from you, right? So right now you can just log in onto our portal, enter your TRNA date of birth, select the policy that you wish to renew, select your preferable payment plan, and that is it. If you can't pay online, you can always select one of our other payment methods, and you receive your cover documents in minutes.
Before I move, you know, I don't have no shame. I talk my business. I always use payment plan, you know. I don't walk with no big money. I still like Ron, who walk with the big money one time and just pay up front.
No, you know, believe me.
How do I have to come in to set up my little payment plan?
No, you can do that all from the comfort of your home, right? So you go online, select the preferable payment plan, and make the payment, and just like that, you have insurance coverage in your email, just like that.
And that legal and that the police stop made them?
Quite legal, police, the tax office, all acceptable.
No, sir, this sounds serious, man. So
that's-
now for print on the pretty paper
No,
again.
no pretty papers, plain paper. In your email, you can even have access to your insurance documents via a portal.
I hope police officers are listening. So let me show you my email. Let me pop up my email and show you. Say, see me insurance here, sir. I don't want nobody take on my vehicle or nothing. But I will get back to you in a bit. The
Hi,
Rose.
Otis. Hi.
I keep hearing about this portal, and I'll confess, people don't vex me, don't judge me. I hear about something named Sagicor Connect.
Yes.
But I thought it was a social event. What is Sagicor Connect?
Thank you for that question, Otis. Sagicor Connect is an exceptional, user-friendly platform that allows our health insurance clients to access their benefits online. So through this platform, our clients have the ability to submit their health claims, track their claims as well.
But before you pass, submit, because I work with Sagicor a lot, and we constantly have to bring in the long yellow forms, and we drop them off for the security outside, or we make somebody, we pile them up in one little pot, and carry them, come drop them off when you get the time. What you mean when you say submit health claims? How you do that now?
Okay, so perfect question. So the claim submission portion, the overall aim of Sagicor Connect is to provide convenience to our clients.
Yeah.
So with the claim submission portion that is on Sagicor Connect, you are able to just that yellow form that you're making reference to.
Yeah.
You can take a copy of that image, take a copy of
So you
that
can
claim.
scan it?
Yes, scan it or take an image,
Take a picture.
of it, and you
But
can
you have to use good
upload it.
phone, people. Don't feel bad. If your
Yes.
phone quality stay one kind of way, ask somebody to do it for you. What you're
Yes.
saying?
Yes, so all you need is an image. Either you scan it or take a picture on your phone, and you just simply upload it onto our platform, Sagicor Connect. So no longer do you have to physically come in branch to drop off a health claim. So you could do it online, and you could also track your claim online.
But one of the things I'm skeptic about, and say with me, I've never used the portal yet. Somebody has asked a question there.
No problem.
How do you know where to send the money?
Okay, perfect. Perfect question. So on Sagicor Connect, we ask you to verify your health card information prior to you logging into the platform.
Yeah.
Once it is that you verify your health card, the platform automatically detects who you are, and all of the prior information that we would have collected from you on the onset
Okay.
is already on file. So all you need to do is simply log into Sagicor Connect. Based on the verification methods that we have inputted into the system, we will be able to detect who you are and where the funds should be sent to. Also, you have the ability, if it is that you want to update your banking information, you can do that on Sagicor Connect as well.
Okay. So is that just for like persons who have the group cards, or like is it for the card that when I work at a company and them give me the card, or my personal card, I can do that with it as well?
So it is accessible to both clients. So if you have a group insurance with us through your company, or if it is that you have an individual health plan,
Yeah.
you will be able to do the same claim submission process.
Wow, that sounds amazing. All right, I have a couple questions for you, well, because now I'm excited, because that means that all of these people were from your Simmerpon Road. You say, oh, Otis, you work with Sagicor, carrying the farm here. It done. It's the last time that. No more farm now carrying. Take picture and go up on Sagicor Connect. That you said, oh.
Correct.
Spell it out for me, the people them can find it.
So to find Sagicor Connect, it's simply www.sagicorconnect.com.
Yes. And the word them not spell like artists, them spell like the real word.
Yes, Sagicor and Connect.
All right, thank you very much.
No problem.
No, my brother, Ron Jones, I'm telling you already, you know, this is the man. Sagicor has some digital products I've been hearing a lot about. Give me an idea, why would Sagicor need to even look towards digital products? Why are we here?
No, well, I mean, as Monique and Troy is saying, when you go digital, the world is going that direction.
Yeah.
Persons want to do things from their bedrooms, from their homes. If you've seen any of the Sagicor eLife ads, you realize persons in the airport, persons are at home in them couch,
Yeah.
persons, I mean, wherever. And so we are looking to take insurance to another level, allowing persons to access insurance products regardless of where you are or what you're doing. So the Sagicor eLife facilitates that.
Yeah.
You know, we're able to allow our clients not to have to walk into a branch. So, I mean, just like you had said earlier, the days of buying even general insurance where you have to sit down in the line.
Yeah, man. Still remember falling asleep a couple times.
Yeah, well, but with regular insurance, life insurance, critical care insurance, those types of stuff, you can simply now buy those products online as well with the eLife platform at your convenience.
My skepticism is this. How do I know what to buy? Because when you go on the platform, you see the name of products. I don't know what is for what or for who. If you're not a financial advisor, and you don't have a financial advisor sitting with you, how you know what to buy?
No, well, actually, it's pretty easy, because I have to keep my work as a financial advisor myself.
Yes.
So I'm going to say to people, I always want you to call me and talk to me about it.
You see, they say the salesman. You see why he's one of the top salesmen in Jamaica. Anyway.
Right, no. But the truth is, though, on the eLife platform, once you log on, you get an audio clip saying, welcome to eLife, and it says, here are our products, and it tells you what they are. You can literally log on there, select a product, it tells you what it's about, it tells you what it does, it tells you how, the amount of insurance you can buy from that product, whether it's a critical care plan or a life insurance plan, or even some investment plans are on there as well. So it really tells you everything. So it's pretty easy to identify what's there, and you can figure out what you want. The only reason I still have a job is because persons want to consult to say how much or does this one. But for persons who don't need that, they can absolutely log on and get everything that they need.
I need some more information from you relating to, where you can do it from and what type of stuff you might need to go on and upload. But before that, I want to come back to your money. As I tell you, I've never seen it. And I know that you brought a video, right? So we want to throw to studio for a second to actually see that video as to how this whole Sagicor Connect actually works. So I want you to walk me through the process as we watch it. But can we go to studio and look at that one? So Monique, tell me what is happening.
Okay, so on the screen, we are seeing the welcome page to Sagicor Connect. So if it is that you'd like to register on the platform, you will simply select the registration button, and you will then select the terms and agreements, and you're just going to complete this generic information. This is going to tell us who you are. Once you have completed this step, you will receive a verification email, and you just simply need to verify your email address, and then you will be able to log into Sagicor Connect.
Oh, so that first part is to get the general information, and then you're logging in now.
Correct.
Okay.
All right. So it's just this, the registration process, as I said, is for us to be able to identify you. So once it is that you log in, you will not have any issues in terms of where the funds should go in terms of your banking information, because the system will automatically detect who you are. Once it is that you log in, you will receive a welcome message. Welcome message and...
Okay, so this is where I put in my
so
username and password that I would have set up from before. Okay.
Correct. So here, this will be the welcome information since it's already identified who you are.
Yes.
And then it is that depending on which health card you have, you will be asked to verify your health card. So this will simplify the process when it is that you need to submit your claim. And you'll just go ahead and verify your health card and move forward on the platform.
Wow. That is nice, and it seems so simple.
It is.
And I like the pretty colors. When you have beautiful people like me, when you're too, techie, you need to. But that seems very simple. It seems easy, and I'm sure it's weird because I'm sure more people may claim no. Because sometimes 1 or 2 people, because they never want the stress, them just throw down the yellow piece. But now that you have made it so easy to claim back your money,
yes,
I'm sure more people are making their claims. So why would Sagicor do something like that? Don't answer. But congratulations. By the way, as usual, we have giveaways. So make sure you're taking your notes, everybody on YouTube, Facebook, Instagram, take everything that we're upon. Make sure you take your notes because we're going to be giving away something. And I'm sure Monique walk with goodies. Yes, so our department must have something to give us. I want to get back to you, Troy.
Yes.
I'm clueless about general insurance. All I know is compliance, third party. When I go on that platform, what can I do to get some appreciation of what type of plan I'm going to get, what the costing, what type of vehicle may have, all of those things. How do I get, can you mention get a quote? So how does your system arrive at a quote?
Thank you for a very good question. So most recently, we have launched our online quote and buy platform, and this is a platform that is very competitive in the market, right? And so customers are able to go online,
Yeah.
enter a few details about your personal self, right? Whether your age, your occupation, provide us with the vehicle details, provide us with your claim history and the driver's history,
Yeah.
and they are able to get a quote just like that. We're not giving you just one quote, we're giving you several quotes. You mentioned comprehensive policy as well as third party.
Yeah.
We're giving you all of that as a package. We will also recommend the most preferable quote to you, right? And you're able to select that
Okay.
quote and move on to the buy phase. When you get to the buy phase of our online quote and buy system, you will be able to select your payment plan. And we're not just giving you full payment, we're giving you up to 8 months to make payment. Once you select your payment, you enter your credit card details, and just like that, you have insurance coverage to provide to the police, right? So you're getting, you
amazing.
can select whether you want comprehensive or third party.
You know, one of the
package.
most annoying things for any driver, well, I'm have a talk for the old driver, them know, because we're gone in a different world. But for the average driver, every time you go insurance company for the first time with a vehicle, all of we know, you're afraid. It's like when you go doctor for a checkup, I don't know what they're going to say.
Yeah.
You don't know what they're going to tell you is going to be the price of your insurance. And you don't know if enough money in the pocket. But now I can stay at home and get that information directly from your website.
Directly
And
from
don't
our
feel
website.
shame. So I'm going to tell you some more comprehensive and then say, no, so I can look back on the third party one day. I could see
Yeah.
how the third party money sound.
That's right. That's right. That's
I
so we're
love that.
offering that level of flexibility when it comes on to all our platforms. So it's not just limited to quote and buy. We also have it on the renewal side. We have our monthly installments available for all customers online.
Okay, great, great. And I'm looking forward to using it. I will test it right after a year because, you know, about the time of year there.
And I would love you too.
No, I'm not going to test it. I want, before I come back to your on, Monique, there's something that I don't want miss. In respect to having an idea as to what are the different elements on your platform that works, you know?
Yes.
Give me an idea what are the other things. Because we're just talking about one thing so far. What are some of the other features on the platform that we need to know about?
Okay, not a problem. So another key aspect of our platform is our replacement card feature. So for all group health clients and individual health insurance clients, they have the flexibility of requesting a replacement card on the platform. So we know that sometimes our clients might lose their card or they might have an emergency and they don't want to go through the hassle of physically coming in branch to request a health card.
Yeah.
We now give you the flexibility to do that at home at your fingertips on Sagicor Connect. All right?
You know what would be really cool? If AJIC platform could do something like that, where when you have a little accident, you can just report it online. We don't have anything like that yet.
We do actually. So you can actually report a claim online, and that's for all motor claims, right? And it's
Well, on back up.
And it's
I
end-to-end.
want people to
All
recognize
motor
him saying it. It's not just my words. It's the product manager saying it. So just say it loud and clear so people know it's not me making it up.
So
But true.
all
How that work?
All motor claim can
Yeah.
be reported online, and the process is pretty simple. We have removed all the paperwork, all the manual intervention from online reporting, right? So it's pretty simple. Just select report a claim, select the type of claim that you wish to report.
Yeah.
Whether it be a collision, a fire, a windscreen.
Yeah.
Then you just go through, log in, select the policy that you wish to report the claim on. Provide us with a few details about the accident, the location, the time and the date and the
Yeah.
nature of the incident,
Yeah.
and click submit, and just like that, it's uploaded to our system. You can
Wow.
also upload all the documents and the footage of the accident.
Somebody can take video and
you
picture.
you can take images.
We win then, man.
You can take images of the accident scene and the damaged parts of your vehicle, and it's uploaded to our system immediately. We will also send you a summary of what you have entered online. And it gets even better. Our windscreen claim reporting is fully end-to-end. So if you have a windscreen damage, you are able to get your windscreen repair immediately. Immediately.
How many of us have used that windscreen thing? Because we need to use it up.
Yeah.
I know you're telling me that I can just go
Just open the
online,
windscreen
report
all
it,
the time.
and
Yeah.
I get my windscreen,
Driving on
just
the
drive go
highway.
wherever. When you send me to and get my windscreen on me, all right?
That's right.
But that's amazing. Ron, you have got to step up again because the other side of the ball field are going well.
No,
So make us see
sir,
what
the
is happening
question.
over the life side.
Yes, sir.
What are some of the features? Firstly, what are some of the products that I can find? You mentioned eLife.
Yeah.
What are some of the products I can find on eLife?
All right. When you say products, I don't want to tell you every single thing because there are quite a few. But
Okay, all right, give me some of the categories of products.
Exactly. So I'm going to break it down now that you
Please.
can find critical care plans and you can find life insurance plans. Some
Yes.
of the more popular critical care plans like the Triple Protector or very common life insurance plans, the Purple Shield.
Purple
Or what's
Shield, yeah.
special about them and what makes the eLife platform very special is that unlike what you might be used to back in the day, back in your time. Otis,
Yes, back in my
when you're
time.
buying insurance, you have to do medical, you have to do all sorts of tests. Whatever it is that you buy on the eLife platform doesn't require anything.
It don't
So,
require medical. I
doesn't-
don't need
no.
to do my HIV. I don't need to take no blood
Correct.
tests.
Correct.
I mean, no, from I said no HIV, some people say, you know, we're afraid.
So what it does is that, like I said, once you go on, you're able to go, as Troy mentioned, end to end with the insurance purchase. You select the particular plan. Let's say it's a Triple Protector. You're gonna be asked a few questions about yourself, your
Yes.
name, your date of birth, that kind of thing, and you're able to generate a quote to determine how much will this insurance cost.
Or it actually runs a code for you.
Yes, man. You
So you
select
know the
the
price
amount
right
of
away.
insurance
Yeah.
you want. You select that. You select the amount of insurance you want after you've determined the quote. You go then enter all your personal details.
So what about like lifestyle situations? Suppose you smoke, suppose you skydive, suppose you do them like a thing. Does it affect your cost? of
Not,
the ins-
not
of
on
insurance?
eLife. So
Not
and,
on
and,
eLife.
and that's why
Okay.
this is important because they're really essentially there are two categories of insurance that you can purchase. Those that require medical or require medical questions.
Yeah.
We want to have further dialogue by coming into our branch to do those.
Yes.
But what we have done is for persons who don't want to do that or for persons who don't need that type of insurance, that doesn't affect their insurance premiums at all if you're buying it through eLife.
Okay.
So all the plans on eLife, your lifestyle will not impact your premium. In fact, we don't ask those questions at all. You go on, you select the plan that you want. The only questions we ask is to get to know who you are.
And not the parent issue. If somebody did die from something, I get something, I need all that information.
Not
It go
included.
down in my life.
No.
So I
don't
can
need
get insurance like so,
Just like
without no stress.
Yep.
I like
Life
what I hear.
insurance, critical illness, investment.
I like what I hear.
They're all there.
No, I want to give away something. You know, I can't come on this platform and don't give us something. So everybody in studio, whether I have to put together like a basket or a back or something, we're going to give out something right now. All right? So firstly, I want and if you're on, whether it is YouTube, whatever it is that you're on, you must reply in the chat. So get in the chat and reply. I want to know what is the name and two of the services offered by my good friend Monique and her department. Yes, the online platform, the name of the platform, I want to know that name, and two of the services, two of the things that you can go on there and do. I try not to give the answer, so I have to cloud it up. So the first person who type that, I will give you something. All right? I'm waiting for them to create the second basket because I want to give you something again. But we're going to be throwing to a quick break. When we get back, we're going to be going in a whole lot more information so that by the time we finish this live, people will be able to have them life insurance, them car insurance, them house insurance, them can check them health insurance and about it. All right. So come right back and we'll be going through some detail as to how to make it happen. See you on the next side. And we're back. We're back. We're back. We're back. And I'm so happy and excited. Of course, off screen, we had some discussion that, sparked some interest, and I want to get back in there. So, my good friend Ron is telling me that I don't ask him yet how you can manage your policies online. I ask everybody else about their online management, but I don't ask him. So, Ron, talk to me about how we can manage our policies online.
Yeah, thank you, Otis. Finally.
Yes, sir.
Because
Yes, sir.
this is exciting. Everybody pretty much has online banking,
Yeah.
right? Because you manage your account online. How about online insurance, Inc.? I mean,
Trouble.
that is not a word, but it's the equivalent
Yeah.
to online banking. There is a platform now called Client Web.
Web.
Client Web.
Yeah.
Sagicor Client Web. When you purchase your policies through eLife,
Yeah.
and even if you're an existing client, you didn't use eLife before, you didn't purchase a policy through eLife before, and you have insurance,
Yes.
you can set up Client Web, you can register for Client Web, and that's pretty much the same thing as online banking, but for your insurance.
Wow.
So it means that, log into Client Web, you can see all your policies, you can see your policy details, you can see who your beneficiaries are, you can get a status letter,
Yeah.
you can pay premiums, you
Hold
can
on,
look
you can
at
generate your own status letter?
you request the status letter from the platform,
Yeah.
and we reply with that status letter. You don't need to go into a branch to get that. You don't need to call anybody. You just jump onto your online management tool. It's Client
For
Web.
everybody
and everything
that
is there.
don't know, your status letter is critical. Ever so often, let's say you have a mortgage, and the mortgage is linked to a life insurance.
Right.
The mortgagors, they need to ensure that your life insurance is up to scratch ever so often. And how they do that is status letter. Also, if you're one of them high dignitaries who have to file your claim a year time with Integrity Commission and all of them, you need to declare the funds that you have in insurance and all them things. And if you can generate your own status letter, that's just amazing. So it's news you tell me now.
Everything is there.
Yeah, show off now. Go on, go on.
Yeah,
What else
man.
you have now?
No, but what I'm going to tell you now is that on the same platform, just the same through Client Web, you can access funds from your insurance policy. You have an investment policy, you have an insurance policy that has some money there. You can request monies from your policy right there again. So you don't need to wait until Sagicor is open Monday. Today is Saturday, you need some money. You jump onto Client Web, you make the request, I want X amount of money, X amount of dollars from my policy. You send the request, we process that on the back end, and again, it comes to your account.
So you don't need to call your financial advisor. You don't need to go join a line at any of the Sagicor offices across the island.
Correct.
You can go online, request the money.
Yes.
Send your own money, because it's your money. Send your money off, whether it is the investment plan, your whatever plan that have the extra money on it.
Yep.
Send it to your bank account and just live your life.
That's it. And again, we're doing this from your bedroom, you're doing it from the living room.
Just don't do it while driving.
Exactly.
Because then AG can forget involved.
Exactly.
And we don't want that happen.
I can report the claim online.
Jesus.
No, well, we're not encouraging them, right?
No, we're not.
We're not encouraging a claim. Payments. Bonnie,
Yes.
do you have any system that allows a person to pay for their plan?
Yes, we do. On Sagicor Connect, clients can also pay their health insurance premium on Sagicor. So, for example, if you actually don't want to register on the platform and just simply want to pay your premium,
Yes.
there's a feature on Sagicor Connect that says Pay Now. You just
Oh.
select that button. You're going to put in your health card number and the group number associated with your health card.
Oh,
and
so
then
those are the two big numbers, the big number
on your
and the health card, the
yes,
actual health
your
card. yeah.
cardholder number and
Yeah.
the group number associated with your health plan, and you put in that information and you simply select Pay. You will be prompted to put in your credit card information at the end and an email address so that you can get a soft copy of your receipt, and it's just that simple. It takes less than a minute to complete. So we do have a payment system that actually works.
Well, I guess it come down to try. I wonder, try. I got Mr. Ball, you know. Can we pay?
You can definitely pay all your services online. Your motor, home insurance, everything can be done online. If it is that you don't have a credit card, you can also start the process online, select the closest branch that you wish to go into. We will send the payment information to the cashier. You go into the branch, walk straight up to the cashier booth, make the payment, and as soon as that payment hit our system, your documents are emailed to you.
No, a
within.
win you go win a while ago. You went for the win.
We're going for the win.
I love that, and I want to, Ron, from your experience,
Yes.
do people use this eLife thing?
Absolutely.
And what has
Absolutely.
their experience been like? What have you been getting from it?
Well, in fact, quite a number of my clients use eLife. I have a very broad client base.
I'm sure, sir. Yeah. And high.
Well, we can't. No, so I have clients right across the island, from Portland to Westmoreland. And sometimes they're persons who, they just call me. They're existing clients. We have a relationship for quite some time, and they call me and they say, Ron, I need to increase my life insurance policy. This is a plan that is available on the eLife platform.
Yeah.
But, well, perhaps I might not be able to get to Portland before the weekend, or I might not be able to get, to where they are.
But the helicopter might not be, working that weekend.
Well, we have new airport now, so.
Yeah, all right,
But,
all right,
but the point is that I can have a conversation, and the
Yes.
person say, well, since I can do it online, they just go ahead and do it online.
Great.
So a lot of my clients use it.
And you can inform them as to what they should do there.
Right. In fact, once we have the conversation, a person says, I want to increase.
Yes.
I can say, just go on eLife. Because it's so easy that once they log on, they will
They'll
see
be
what they're
guided.
looking for.
They'll be guided.
It's really that easy.
I wonder, you brought a video for us, boss?
For eLife?
Yeah, man.
I don't know if our video is short enough to show here because it shows exactly everything.
Well, you see, we trust you, Ron, but sometimes we want to see it digital. So, and it's a digital world we know. So, round studio, if you have a video for eLife, I want to see it now to see exactly what we're talking about. I'm going to give us some time to organize the video because I'm sure we're going to put it up there. We have another video we want to play too, but we're going to get back to it in a minute. Now, Ron, you mentioned client web. The client web has been out for how long now? You have any idea?
I'm not, how long has it been? I'm not quite sure how long, but it's been for some time.
And your clients use client web? Have you used client web?
I use client web personally. I know that my family uses client web. Quite a number of my clients use client web.
And what is that process like? Because you mentioned that if somebody have an existing policy already, they can be linked to it. But how do you get onto client web if you're not currently on client
All right,
web?
so pretty much you're referring to like the registration process because there are persons who have insurance but they're not currently on client web. All you need to do is to go to sagicor.com. Once you go onto the regular Sagicor website, you can go to login. It's going to ask you, are you trying to log into client web? Some persons don't have client web credentials, and you hit the register button.
Okay.
So once you go to the Sagicor website in the first place, the client web is right there. From the menu drop down, you just click on client web, and you click register. If you don't have client web already, it's going to ask you some biographic questions, your name, your date of birth. It's going to ask you some questions so we can verify who you are. And once that form is done, you then get an email verification. We do our back office stuff in terms of uploading your policies to the platform.
Yes.
And once you get your temporary password, put in your temporary password. Your email is going to be your username.
Yes.
And once you log in, everything is going to be there ready for you.
Great. Monique, 2 weeks ago,
Yes.
I tried to buy some pharmaceutical because the sinus mess with me. But I realized that I don't have my card because I don't use my health card for years. And that is when I realized I don't have it and I couldn't find it. You mentioned earlier that you can request a replacement online. How does that
Replacement
process work?
card?
Yeah.
Okay, so the process for requesting a replacement card is a 3-step process.
Yeah.
Once it is that you have completed the registration process on Sagicor Connect and logged into Sagicor Connect, there is a feature that asks you what you'd like to do. You're going to click that icon, and once it is that you click that icon, you're going to be able to see a drop-down, a toolbar on the screen that is going to simply say request replacement card. All you need to do is simply select that button.
Yes.
Your health card will appear on screen. And also, if it is that you have a dependent on your health card and you possibly want to request a replacement card for whoever is on your health plan, you'll be able to do so as well. So all you simply need to do, register on Sagicor Connect, log in, and you're going to select the button that says request replacement card, and it's just that simple.
Easy.
Great. I heard Ron mention earlier, and I'm going to come back to you, Troy, about it too. What if the contract, you mentioned it's eLife, you mentioned the fact that you would in Mobay and your client in Portland. I don't know why you're going over there to take a people client over Portland when they could have stayed at Mobay. But still, you're in Mobay, client in Portland. They apply for the policy. The policy is settled. But we don't have no contract. How would that work?
Yeah, well, again, everything is digital. So you actually get a digital copy of your contract in client web as well. So if we're going online for everything, everything is going to be there. So you have a digital contract, and if you so choose, there are some persons who they want the paper, right?
Yeah.
You can certainly just print it off. All it means, you can download it and print it if you want to have a physical copy. But it's going to be there electronically as well. Everything that you would have entered from the application process through eLife, you're going to now see the settled policy in your client web.
Wow. All right. You know, at first when you mentioned it, I thought we'd have a problem because you know how we stay. I don't know about anybody else, but when I get my Sagicor policy, my contract, I have a special drawer me put it in. The top one to the right, if you're not known to me people. But when you're telling me email now, I'm not too sure if I want the email. I'm not too, feel like the digital part makes sense. But then when you think about it, nobody really work with bank book again.
Exactly.
So at the same thing, so I answer my own question I made a while ago. I said, but wait, and we still put the money in the bank.
Yep.
And now at least we can print out this. So we're good with it.
And remember, Otis, with client web, you're managing your policies. So even sometimes when you have that physical contract, and you need to make some changes, you now have to get paper to change the policy. With client web, whatever changes you're requesting,
it can be managed digitally.
Everything is digital. So we update the stuff.
All right. I know for a fact that you cannot get a digital certificate, insurance certificate. You can't tell me nothing around that. Because that have to print on the money paper them. That have to print on the expensive paper. So when you apply for your general insurance, all you get is a cover note, right?
You get a cover note or your certificate. We no longer print.
You can get a certificate?
You can get a certificate. So once you go on our online quote and buy platform and you make the purchase, upload all the relevant documents, you are able to receive your certificate of insurance.
Actual certificate.
Your actual certificate of insurance. It's no longer on pretty paper, it's on the plain paper. You can either walk with the digital copy or you can print off the paper.
I don't know if you old enough and any police will watch, remember this, don't vex with me. But a police ever stop you and say, yo, the cover note that with the certificate there. Your full time you have the certificate now, wait there.
You can frame your certificate.
And the good news is
full-time thing that.
No.
and I guess the good news is we also give you access to that online, right? So you can access our update your policy portal and go to our document center and you see all your latest insurance documents available for you. So if it is that you don't have it on you and police stop pull you over for any reason, you can just log in and see your insurance document.
I can tell you one thing that I feel like it's true you're talking, Because the other day, police stopped me regular. Sit with me. The other day, the police stopped me. And when I give him the documents, I never have my insurance for me, but him pull up something and tell me exactly which day the insurance is going to expire. I said, sir, you know my business? So the man go on him phone and say when my insurance expire. Me not even realize. They must go fix up your thing. So I don't know, is it the same type of connection you guys have, or how would that work? You have no idea. I was blown away.
Yeah, so there are microservices that we are using. We're sharing information.
Microservices. How are you bringing it back? How are you bringing it back? Microservices.
So there are microservices that we're using. We're talking about, maybe you're talking about IVIS. I think that's one of the technologies that police are using. Yes. So we are feeding information. All insurance companies, they are feeding information to the tax office and also the police, and so they are able to have up-to-date information as it relates to whether or not you are on cover. So they have that information available.
That is amazing. Before I close, and I get in the wrap-up signal, but before I close, I want you to just remind me, generally, what are some of the policies generally that, because we keep on talking about car insurance, but general insurance, give me an appreciation as to what type of insurance you guys offer.
So we offer all types of general insurance, right? We offer our private car policy, we offer our public commercial, there's also home policy, there are liability policies, right? At the moment, you can only get the private and commercial policies. Of course, there are other things on the horizon that we're looking to work on in short order. But those are some of the features available and products available on our online platform at this time.
All right, great. Now, I have another giveaway. I just talked to my friends on the back. Them tell me, say them find some stuff, so them build a second basket. So don't worry. I soon give away something else. Run. I get a question. I never got the name. Oh, yeah, here it is. Oh, she called herself a viewer. All right. She or he, I'm sorry, is asking, if I'm 62, can I get life insurance? And more particularly, can you get it digitally?
Absolutely. Absolutely. In fact, not just life insurance. You can get critical care insurance. There's at least one plan that you can buy.
No, man, critical illness insurance stop at 60. What are you talking about?
You can get, there's one plan, the cancer plan. You can get
Okay,
up to age 64. Yeah. So if at 62, you not only life insurance, she can get also
She or
critical
he, I
illness.
never know.
Right.
Viewer.
She or he. The viewer can get
Yes.
critical care insurance.
Yes.
You can also get life insurance. And both of these are available on Client Web, on eLife.
And the next giveaway, you have to multitask, people. I don't know if you're watching this on your phone, but you have to multitask. You have to pull up another screen. Because I need to know the first person who can type in one of the chats the name of 3 policies, 3 Sagicor Life policies that can be bought on eLife. So the first person put that in, you win the second basket. It done. We see it pack up already. It look pretty. It have some little frills on it. It all right. So the first person type it in, you'll be getting that to carry home. I will find it and get it to you. I want you to give me an appreciation of the health insurance, the types of health insurance that you cover on your platform or generally through Sagicor.
Okay, so, quick question. Are you referring to the products that you can purchase?
Products, yeah.
Okay. So on Sagicor Connect, we have what we call our non-employer sponsored groups. Those particular groups are groups for persons who don't fall under a traditional health insurance plan.
So you're not in one of them big company with
Correct.
a big group. You know, have
Correct.
300, 400 people. Yeah.
Correct. So if it is that you are outside of that scope and you're just looking for new and affordable health products that it is that you can benefit from for you and your family, you can visit Sagicor Connect. Some of the products that we offer are our school companion plan. I'm not too sure if anyone is aware of our school companion
Oh,
plan.
you can buy a school companion online?
You could
Jesus,
buy school
thanks be to God.
companion online and also pay online as well. We
Hold on, don't go no further.
Yeah.
People, if you have a child in school, you must take out a school companion plan. But I'm not even going to go further. You just write it down, put it in our little school companion. Continue, please. Sagicor Connect, look for school companion.
Correct. Also, we offer our Care Shield plan. Our Care Shield plan is a plan specifically for persons who have a Sagicor credit card.
Oh.
So you will be able to also purchase health insurance through that particular campaign as well. We also offer our AgriCare plan. This is a plan for our farmers. We also give you the
Oh, that is the one for the farmers and the fisher folk and stuff like that?
We also give you the flexibility of purchasing those products online as well.
And I promise you, if you know anything about how health insurance works, the greater the amount of persons within a group, then the lower the risk of anyone using or needing the money. As such, it creates a lower cost. So if you are a farmer, if you are a fisher folk, you know that you need insurance. As such, it makes sense to be a part of that group and get that plan.
Correct.
Yeah, man.
One last point, Otis. For our members that fall under a group structure, we offer our supplemental insurance plan on Sagicor as well. So if it is that your company offers supplemental insurance, that you can also purchase these products on Sagicor Connect. So we tailor our platform to focus on our non-employer and employer-sponsored groups.
And last month I heard about this supplemental thing. It means that if you have a health insurance that is good, supplemental makes it super.
Yes.
That's what it is.
Yeah.
You need to just put on the supplemental and call it a day and not worry about anything. So whatever that shortcoming is, or shortfall of whatever health insurance you have is, the supplemental, just fill it up. So you don't worry about anything. You know, when you feel like you're just braffing, because some people like a party go braff, you know. If you want braff a doctor, if you want braff a pharmacist, if you want to braff a dentist, optician,
glasses. Yes,
yes,
man.
man. If you want to be a braffing person when you go to these medical facilities, put on the supplemental, and then when you drop your card on the table, you drop it heavy, bang, 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 bang. So I would advise you, check out the supplemental. I have a question from Shireen Reed. Hi, Shireen. Shireen wants to know from you, Monique, can critical health premium be paid online? No, sorry, not you, Monique. My good friend Ron.
Wants to know if
Although two different questions. There's critical illness and there's health. So that's why
Right.
Shireen confused me. So you tell me critical illness.
Right, so you can pay it online.
Okay.
This now is going to be through your client web. So
Okay.
so you have your critical illness plan. Remember, I said you can manage everything that you have once is insurance through your client web.
Yeah.
So you log in to your client web. It tells you the due date of your plan. It tells you how much you need to pay, and if you have a credit card or a debit card that can be used online, you register your card and you make
Yeah.
your payments.
That
So you
is
can,
great.
and not just your critical illness plans. You can pay your life insurance plans. You can pay investment policies. Any payments that you
Online.
need, you can log into your client web, make your payments, and if you normally pay through client web, you can see even your payment history. You can
Wow.
see what you've paid before.
What I love about client web, when you go on it, it actually show you the history.
Yes.
It just make your life feel like it's organized.
Yeah.
You know, it show you every policy with slightly short, it like paid over everything.
Yeah, man.
So it's like a full customer service rep in front of you. I get all the
Exactly.
information. So I have the giveaway winners, but I'm going to tell you after. So you have to wait until after the break before you know if you really win. So we have a quick break, the last break, and then we wrap up. We have a quick commercial, and then we come right back here.
It doesn't matter where or when, you can plan your life because with eLife, you can purchase your life insurance online, anytime, anywhere. It's easy. Choose your life insurance coverage, apply, and pay online.
Living the eLife easy.
Live the eLife with Sagicor Life. It doesn't matter where or when, you can plan your life because with eLife, you can purchase your life insurance online, anytime, anywhere. It's easy. Choose your life insurance coverage, apply, and pay online.
Living the eLife easy.
Live the eLife with Sagicor Life.
So we're back, and we have winners left, right, and center. Yes, the winners pressing buttons like, wow, thank you for the participation. But we only had 2 baskets, so don't vex with me, please. It's just 2. So the winner of the first basket is actually Leon on YouTube. So Leon, please DM us on Instagram so that we can arrange collection. But we'll know it's you. So nobody go up on Instagram, go create a new profile name. Like, hello, we know it's who. All right. And of course, for the second basket, we have Sharita Eli, or Ellie. E-L-L-Y. Yes. You are on Instagram. So again, please direct message for the persons who don't know what DM mean, because some are way old. Please direct message us on Instagram and we will give you your prize. Now, I have to close now. It has been an amazing day, but I want just a quick recap from each of you. Why should we come on these platforms? So firstly, with Mr. Advantage.
Thank you very much. So I want to encourage customers to shop online, renew your policy online, manage all aspects of your policy online, and there are even greater things on the horizon for you.
And I showed on the gauntlet, we're not done yet. Monique.
Yes, so for our health insurance clients, if it is that you're looking for convenient way to access your benefits without having to come in branch, standing those long lines, please visit Sagicor Connect. You could submit your health claims, you could track your claims online, you could also request your replacement cards online. Also, if it is that you want to pay your premiums online, you could also use Sagicor Connect. Ultimately, if you're looking for convenience, please use Sagicor Connect.
Straight up. Them look like them a campaign, though, election done. And for the record, we still love seeing you, saying that we're not telling you, you must come say hi sometime. But if you don't want the lines, use Sagicor Connect. No, run. Let me see if I can give him a vote.
No, well, Sagicor eLife is also just as easy and convenient as Sagicor Connect, as what you can do online with Advantage General. You need to protect yourself against critical care illnesses, heart attack, stroke. We solve that. Just log on, you can buy the coverage there. You want to leave a legacy for your family, you want up to $10 million of life insurance, we solve that. You need life insurance for your mortgage, we solve that.
Whoa.
Just log on to eLife, select how much coverage you need, select the policy you need, everything is there explained, and you can make the payments right there, and you can do that anywhere you are in Jamaica.
You hear the debater? We solved that. So thank you very much. You have been a most engaging audience. We're seeing the numbers. We see you online. Thank you for making this another amazing Sagicor series. See you next month where we're giving you more information. But for now, thank you. We're out.
In life, the more you have, the more you have to lose.
The more you love, the more you worry. The more you own, the less you sleep.
The more people rely on you, the more you have on your mind.
I have peace of mind.
Knowing that whatever I own
And whoever I care about are covered by the very best.
With Sagicor Life and Advantage General, get life, health, and general insurance to help you protect what matters most.